Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 14.4 update stuck on preparing update on iPhone and iPad. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Tip number 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Tip number 3. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down. Tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off, slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on it. Tip number 4. Turn off low power mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap battery. On the battery page, turn off low power mode. Tip number 5. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XS Max. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the volume down button. iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. Press and hold the side button. Press and hold the home button. Thanks for watching this video.